A very good morning to all of you students. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. As you all know, we are doing chapter number 5, which is algebraic expression. Today we will continue our chapter 5 and today we will complete our chapter number 5. So today's topic is special products as identities. Means in this class we will study about the identities of multiplication based on algebraic expression. So we have three identities of multiplication based on multiplication. And you know that, and you have learned in the previous exercises how to find products. Products means multiplication. How to find products of algebraic expression. But in this class we will discuss about some identities of products. So first property is x plus p multiply x plus q, which is equal to x square bracket p plus q bracket close x plus p into q. If you have no any sign between two algebraic expression, if you have not any sign between the two algebraic expression, then you will put a multiplication sign. You will put a multiplication sign because there is no any sign between the two algebraic expression. That means it is a product of two algebraic expression. So first I will discuss about first property. So first property is saying that property first. So first property is x plus p and x plus q, means x plus p multiply, means here is multiplication, here will come multiply x plus q. And you know that this is a binomial. You know that this is a binomial because it have two terms. It has two terms, one term and two term. So this is a binomial. Same as here, this is a binomial. So x is a one term, q is a second term. So there are only two terms, so that means this is a binomial. So you know that how to multiply binomial with binomial. You learn in the previous classes previous exercise how to learn how to do multiplication binomial with binomial. You know that you will multiply the first term of a first binomial with the first term of the second binomial, means you will multiply x with both the terms of second binomial. You will multiply x with both the terms of second binomial, means x multiply with x and x multiply with also x. Same as p multiply x and p is also multiply with pq, means each term of first binomial multiply with each term with the second binomials. Same as here, x multiply with both the terms, means x multiply with x plus x multiply with q, plus now we will multiply p with both the terms of second binomials. So p multiply with x plus p multiply with q. So p multiply with q. Here base are same. The log exponent says that if base are same, then powers are added. So power will be added. 1 plus 1. Here power is 1. Here power is 1. Plus x multiply q is xq. Plus p multiply x, px, because both the variables are different. So we will write same as it is here. P multiply q is pq. X raised to power 1 plus 1 is x raised to power 2 plus xq plus px plus pq. X square plus, here we see that in both the algebraic expression we have x is common. X here is also x and here is also x. So we will take out x, then it becomes q plus p plus pq. So this is the required algebraic expression. If we multiply x plus p multiply x plus q with, so we get x square plus x plus bracket q plus p pq. This is the required result. If you multiply x plus p with x plus q, you will get a result x square plus x q plus p pq. I hope you understood how will we multiply and how to solve the question, and how will you do apply on questions this property. How will you do apply on questions? So first I will take first example. So first example is x plus 1 and x plus 5. We are given x plus 1 and x plus 5. This is type of this, means this is the type of first identity, means x plus p multiply x plus q. Here x plus 1 and x plus 5. Here p is 1 and q is 5. So we will put these values in this equation. So what is the equation of x square plus x multiply q plus p pq. So here will it become x square plus x become as it is. X will be as it is, and q, the value of q is 5 and value of p is 1. So 5 plus 1 plus p into q means the value of p is 1 but q, the value of q is 5. So here we have x square plus x multiply 6 multiply plus 5. So it become 6 multiply x, 6x plus 5. This is the required result. This is the first type to solve this multiplication. You can multiply like this also. Second method is to solve the products. Second method to solve the product, you can also multiply like this, x plus 1 and x plus 5. So we have to multiply both the binomials, and you know that how will we multiply the binomial with binomials. So you know that the first term of first binomial is multiplied with both the terms of second binomials. So x multiply with x and x multiplies also 5. So we will write here x multiply x plus x multiply with 5 also, plus same as 1 multiply with x and 1 multiply is also 5, right? You know that each term of the first binomial is multiplied with each term of the second binomial, means we will multiply x with both the terms of second binomial. Same as 1, we will multiply 1 with both the terms of second binomials. So 1 multiply with x and 1 multiply with 5, right? So right here both the base are same, so power will be added, plus 5 multiply x is 5x and x multiply 1 is x, 5 multiply 1 is 5. So here it become x raised to power 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2, so it become x raised to power 2, plus here 5x plus x means the coefficient of x is 5 and the coefficient of x is 1. So we will add 5 plus 1 x plus 5. So here it become x square, 5 plus 1 is 6x plus 5. This is the required result. You can multiply like this also and you can multiply like this also. I hope you understood both the methods of multiplication. This is the simple multiplication and this is the identity based multiplication. Means you know that x plus p multiply x plus q is equal to this, x square plus x bracket q plus p pq. Then here example is x plus 1 and x plus 5. This is first type of property. Means x plus p. So here is x plus 1. So value of p is 1. Same as x plus q. Here is written x plus 5. So value of q is 5. Now we will put all these value in this expression. So we will put here x square plus x p plus q. So q is 5 plus 1 plus p multiply q is p value is 1 multiply q is 5. So if we will solve x square plus x, 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 5. So we will get x square plus 6x plus 5. This is the required product of x plus 1 and x plus 5. I hope you understood. Now the second method is x plus 1 multiply x plus 5. This is the simple method. So how will we multiply? You know that the how will multiply binomial with binomial. So you can write here.